how to transfer ROM from Bybit to Phantom Wallet. So the ROM token, you can be able to find it on your Phantom Wallet. So in this case, we will convert the ROM token on our Bybit account to Solana in order to transfer it without any issue to our Phantom Wallet. So first of all, what you need to do, we need to convert our token to Solana by head over on Buy Crypto and click on Convert. Now from the top, click here and select or search for ROM token. In this case, this is our token, click on it. Now we need to convert it to Solana. If from the bottom, we need to select the Solana token. So after that, what you need to do, just click on Convert and you will convert your ROM token to Solana. So after that, head over to Assets and click on Withdraw. Now, after you convert your ROM token to Solana, select the coin as Solana. After that, set the network as Sol. And to get the address of Solana from your Phantom Wallet, now go to your Phantom Wallet and click on your Solana token. Now click on Receive and copy the token address. Now go back to your Bybit account and paste the token address in the wallet address box. After that, set the amount that you want to transfer and click on Confirm. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your tokens on your Phantom Wallet. So this is how to transfer ROM token from Bybit to Phantom Wallet on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.